Good day, and welcome to episode 20 of the 100 Spin Test, where I take roulette strategies and deliberately play them poorly. There are too many distractions which prevent people from playing roulette perfectly. So the goal of this channel is to honestly see if certain flat betting strategies can deal with real-world and human imperfection. There are also too many charlatans misinforming novice players online. So, I also want to assist others assess the quality of the advice they are viewing. Today's test strategy is from an April 5th episode of the Roulette Jackpot YouTube channel. I've titled it 500 in a quick 8 minutes. On its surface, it seems like a generic 2-column, single dozen bet, but the creator acts like he's some sort of genius. He thinks that his strategies are infallible, and he has no tolerance for constructive criticism. So, this dude seems like the clinical definition of a narcissist, and taking him at his word is probably a great way to lose your money. No matter what strategy anyone touts, there is always that pesky house edge which varies between 1.35 to 7.69%, therefore, a large number of consecutive unmodified bets can drain a bankroll. With any luck, we can uncover and exploit an exception. It's not going to happen today because there is no visible strategy. He progresses by incrementing his bet after losses and moves his bets in ways that don't have an impact on odds or payouts, but I can't be asked to replicate that. A good bet should stand on its own anyhow. Since I play online, I'll stick to the European game because it dominates with online casinos. There are 30 winning numbers out of a possible 37, giving you an 81% likelihood of winning on each spin. However, 6 of the 30 are partial wins, so the true winning percentage is 65%, the same as a basic 2-column bet. To simplify things for analysis and scaling, I've reduced the unit size to $1, euro, or pound. The bet is simple. Place 6 units each on the second and third column and 1 unit on the middle dozen. Your odds won't change if you move the bets around or swap the columns and dozens. However, my payouts and losses math are based on his initial bet. You will win 8 units if the ball lands on 14, 15, 17, 18, 20, 21, 23, or 24. You will win 5 units if the ball lands on 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 26, 27, 29, 30, 32, 33, 35, or 36. You go down 10 if the ball lands on 13, 16, 19, or 22, and you lose the whole 13 if the ball lands on 0, 1, 4, 7, 10, 25, 28, 31, or 34. As always, the chart below shows the progress of the strategy as misplayed and gives a hint at how volatile the bet is. Now let's speed things up and watch the progress. I'll be back at the end to summarize. This strategy as played was a loser. Even though it lost more than double the house edge, I was honestly surprised that it didn't lose more. We were never in profit and hit a low watermark of negative 111 units before finishing at negative 85. We won 61 times and lost 39. We got 21, 8-unit wins which was 1 fewer than expected, 40, 5-unit wins which was 3 fewer than expected, 18, 10-unit losses which was 7 more than expected, and finally 21, 13 unit whacks, which was 4 fewer than expected. In short, I expected better. I ran a few statistical tests on the results. The chi-square test indicated that these results were likely random. The average number of spins before we got a hit was 1.6 with a standard deviation of 1.0. That means it took 3 spins or less to get a win 65% of the time and 4 spins or less 95% of the time. Progression might not be too costly. The maximum number of consecutive wins was 5 and maximum number of consecutive losses was 4. If you're going to play this, drop the single unit bet. It doesn't add value. I don't like slamming other creators, especially when I hide behind a robot voice, but I find overconfidence and hubris in gambling cringeworthy. He acts like making money playing roulette is easy, and it's not. Winning takes luck and self-control. A bet alone won't give either of those.
Keep in mind that casinos are not there to make you rich. So test strategies on a simulator and read the critiques of any strategy that you are planning to use. Also, all roulette players should remember that no system works all the time and some don't work at all. Adjust your risk level accordingly. Good luck until the next time.